The most beneficial part of it is it cleanses your scalp, it's medicinal, it has a lot of properties that could help your hair, that could stimulate your scalp, help your hair to grow, and it moisturizes your hair. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time stopping by, my name is Chinoyelum, aka Simply Noni. In this channel, we'll talk about things concerning natural hair, fashion, beauty, lifestyle, DIYs, and a lot of other things that could come. So don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell so you get notified when I upload videos. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you the white cleansing shampoo that I've been using for like 3 years now. I've used it since I went natural, just because then when I went natural, where I was living, I couldn't get hold of things that are good for natural hair. So I had to start searching for DIYs that I could use to keep my natural hair healthy and grow it in the process. So this DIY that I'm going to be sharing with you is very beneficial. I've been using it for a very long time. I can testify it is very okay. It does not have any side effect, and the most important part of it is all the things that you're using in it are natural, and they all have their different healing properties or the other properties that they have that could benefit your strands. This shampoo is very moisturizing. As long as you follow up with a deep conditioner immediately you finish using it. So it's very moisturizing. If you're the type that is having scalp issues, this will help clean your scalp or heal your scalp issue that you're having. If you're having stunted growth or like your hair is not growing properly, this can stimulate your scalp to help your scalp to breathe so that new hair can come out. Then if you're the type that is having dry hair, this soap shampoo is very moisturizing. It will help to moisturize your hair and help your hair to absorb and retain moisture, because it's amazing. This recipe is, I know it's been a long time I posted videos about natural hair. It doesn't mean I have not been doing things about natural hair, just that I've been really busy. I'm going to be posting more about natural hair stuff, things that could help you to grow your natural hair without breaking the bank, because this particular shampoo is very cheap, it's very affordable. So I'm going to be sharing with you, and I'm going to be showing you how to make it. You can customize it to your own taste, to your own desire, to your own needs as you want. But this is how I make mine, the way I make mine that I've been using for 3 years plus now. So you can tell, you can see my hair. I use it to wash my hair. My hair is very moisturized. You can see the hair. My hair is very moisturized. You can see how it is. My hair is shrunken now, so you can see the hair. So I'm going to be showing you how I make this miracle shampoo that can cleanse. It acts as a cleanser. I use it anytime I wash my hair. Anytime I wash my hair. I've tried doing co-wash, but it didn't really give me the kind of the cleansing that I want or that I need. So I use this every time, and I customize it to the way depending on my hair need at that particular time. But this particular recipe is the one I use most of the time, on how I use it most of the time to wash my hair. So I'm going to be sharing with you. The first thing we'll be needing is our African black soap. We will need extra virgin olive oil, tea tree oil, and peppermint oil. I'll be using avocado oil. My DIY avocado oil, and the Jamaican black castor oil. We will also add our onion oil. If you've not seen the video of how I make the onion oil, I will leave the link in the description box. What we'll do is we'll cut a part of the shampoo. I'm using like 1 cup of the African black shampoo. You can make it you can add, or you can use more, you can use less, but I'm using like 1 cup of African black soap. I will shred it into smaller pieces so that it will be easier to dissolve. So what I do is, after shredding, I'll put it in a glass bowl or a glass jar. Then you pour warm water, warm boiled water. That's water that has been boiled but it has cooled down a bit. So you pour it into the shredded soap, and make sure it covers, the level of the water covers the soap, and you turn it a little. Then we'll be adding our oils. We'll be adding Jamaican black castor oil, 1 spoon, and we'll be adding our avocado oil, 1 spoon, 1 tablespoon of avocado oil. Then we'll be adding our extra virgin olive oil. We'll be adding 1 tablespoon of it. The accurate measurement is on the screen of all the oils and the stuffs that I use for this shampoo. Then we'll add our tea tree oil and the peppermint oil. Then we'll be adding our amla oil, a few drops of the amla oil, like half tablespoon or 1 teaspoon of amla oil to this mixture. So what you do is you stir thoroughly, then cover it and allow it to melt. When stir it occasionally so that it will help with the melting process. After that, we'll be sieving it out with our sieve into our applicator bottle. You need to sieve it because sometimes they do have particles like this one. You can see lumps of charcoal and some of the soap that did not dissolve. If not, it can get stuck in your hair and it won't go out. So after sieving it, then we'll go straight to the bathroom to wash the hair. This can last me for 2 wash day, and you can store it in the refrigerator. So we'll start washing the hair, and I'll be telling you some of the benefits of African black soap. Because of this ingredient, it makes African black soap a very unique soap with zero side effect on your skin and on your hair. You can use it on your skin, you can use it on your hair. The most beneficial part of it is very moisturizing. Because it is rich in nutrients and vitamins, it feeds your scalp with so many healing nutrients to the scalp with its rich vitamins and minerals. It softens your hair, it moisturizes your hair, as long as you follow up with a deep conditioner after using it, because sometimes it can be drying if you do not follow up with a deep conditioner. It softens your hair and it helps to seal in moisture into the hair when properly used. It cleanses your scalp with its antifungal and antibacterial properties. If you're having issues like itchy scalp, eczema, and some other skin related issues on your scalp, this soap will help in the healing process of those condition. It is a very good soap that we moisturize your hair. So once I finish washing the hair, I'll just go ahead and deep condition my hair, then moisturize the hair with my Ayurveda oil. That's how I use this African black soap. You can use this anytime you wash your hair. You can add any oil of your choice. You can add more things. Sometimes I used to add vegetable glycerin to it to make it further moisturizing. You can add vitamin E oil. You can add vitamin E oil and any other oil of your choice. You can customize it to your own taste, to your own need, or add your own favorite essential oils that you have you have. So these are the things, and it will help to clean your scalp. You said it cleanses. It just like is a deep cleansing shampoo, because it will clean your scalp, leaving it moisturized and not dry, and helping the scalp to be clean, so that more hair and your hair will grow and also reduce hair fall. It will reduce hair fall. It strengthens your hair too. So this soap is filled with so many goodness that your hair will be grateful for when you use it. Try making this soap and you will not regret it, I tell you. This is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please try it. If you do try it, please come back and give me a feedback on how your hair felt or how your hair responded to it. Or what you can do is to customize it to your own needs using the the key ingredients, then adding other. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like it so you can reach more people, and don't forget to comment down below. And if you have any video that you want me to talk about or you want me to look into, please don't forget to leave it in the comment section. I will be glad to get suggestion from you. Thank you so much for your support, and thank you for watching this video. I love you.